Hello, Open Boxes users. Let's talk about reports a little more. In this session, we are going to talk about expired and expiring stock report. If you want to keep track of what items have expired, if you need to discard some of the items that have expired, if you are planning to give out items that are expiring soon, you can do that through the expiration report. To access the expiration reports, you can go under reporting, and we have two expiration reports. One is for items that have already expired, and the other is for items that are going to expire. You can also access the expiration reports through the expiration summary dashboard indicator. So here we can see a graph of the items that have expired, that are going to expire within the next 30 days, within the next 60 days, and so on. So if you click on the little dot on today, it will take you to the expired report. If you click on any other dots that are in the future, it will take you to expiring report. So let's take a look at the expired report. So here we can see all the stocks that have expired along with the expiration dates and the quantities. We can also see the category. So if you only want to look for a specific category of products, you can also filter that. So you can, let's say, vaccines and filter. If you want to share those results with someone, you can also download a CSV that will download an Excel of only the products that are on your screen. So here I only have one product because that's what I filtered to see. And from this product, we can also take actions. So here we can see that we can actually select items, and we can transfer out if this item has already been transferred out to a requesting location and it was just not registered in the system just yet. If you can also mark this item as expired. It is recommended that you actually get rid of the item first physically from the warehouse or from storage before you come to Open Boxes and mark it as expired, because Open Boxes will no longer show that this item or this quantity is in stock anymore. And you can also mark it as consumed. If it was consumed and it was just not registered yet, you can mark it as consumed. So let's say I have taken care of this product physically from the storage, and I'm ready to mark it as expired. I can click that and then just enter some couple of information. So here the type is expired. The date is May 31st. If this was in a previous date, you can also backdate by changing the dates here. The destination you do not have to select because we are marking it as expired. However, if you were selecting transfer out, you would have had to select a destination. Created by, you can change that. If you want to add comments, you can add comments as well. And here is the different bin locations for this product. So then we would just select how much the quantity that we got rid of. We can manually manually type it. And if you saved some quantity just for emergency use, that way you can do that. So let's say I saved 200 of this slot number, but I got rid of all the 100. And if you just want to select all of it, you can always select the little star and save it. So now this transaction has been saved successfully and the lot numbers will no longer be available. However, you can see here that I still have 100 for this lot number because I only got rid of 100 out of 200. And we can see that there's a little discrepancy between the on-hand available, and sometimes it just needs a refresh to get that in sync. And now here we can see that the quantities are correct. So that's the expired stock report. Let's take a look at expiring stock report. Similar to the expired stock report, we can also take actions in the expiring stock report. We have the option to mark them as expired, mark them as consumed, or transfer out. We can also download our results in Excel. The only addition here is that we can filter for future time frame. So if you want to just look for items that are expiring within the next 30 days to plan transfer out of these items better, you can do that through there. So it looks like we have some of these items expiring within the next month. So now we can plan to provide these items or send these out to hospitals or wards that we think that need these items, so that they're used by time. So those are the expiration reports. Thank you for watching.